Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today, I just want to talk a bit about the price drop in gold and silver, what I've been seeing. And if you like fun videos on gold and silver, macroeconomics, coins, please like, share, subscribe. I do upload videos basically every single morning. They're pretty much all premiere, so come hang out with everyone. It's an awesome group of people to come hang out with. Stay tuned for the 500 subscriber giveaway box that I have going on. Well, not the box, but the giveaway itself. But yeah, I got some fun pieces in there. Some pieces I know everyone's gonna enjoy. I really do enjoy these reverse proof maples myself. But yeah, I'm hoping to get a few other fun pieces in there. A few smaller things that will add up that people probably don't have in their stack. Yeah, so stay tuned for that, but I'll get back to the price drop. Because the big news that came out is stimulus, as I'm sure all of you guys already know. I was gonna do a video on that, but I decided not really to do it on stimulus itself because you've probably seen 500 videos already. But what I'm kind of noticing is with all these benefits, with all this stimulus, with all this relief, whatever you want to call it, with all this money printing by the Fed, what their reaction I am seeing is people start to get very extremely bullish on stocks, and they'll even liquidate gold and silver to buy more companies, buy more whatever they're buying. I feel like there's a lot of people investing in index funds. I need to do a bit more research on that, but I'm kind of seeing that right now based on just the valuations of a lot of these companies. It's not making much sense. Because if a company has had a good year this year, but it takes 50 years to pay off your investment based on a good year, why would you invest into that? It doesn't make a whole lot of sense to me. Why would you be liquidating gold to invest in that? It doesn't make a whole lot of sense. But when you factor in that it's betting on price, not on the company, not buying the company itself, to me it's a lot more, let's just bet on price is what I'm seeing going on right now. There is momentum here. Let's jump in. Let's do whatever we can do to get in on this momentum. I do see a lot of that. I feel like fundamentals are kind of thrown out the window. I feel like the relief, the money printing means more than anything. Now, if I were to start buying companies based on momentum, based on the Fed printing money, I don't know how I'd be able to sleep at night if I'm putting my money into that. If I buy with value, I buy a business that I'd love to buy and own if I could buy it straight up. Those are the kind of businesses that I buy. I wait till I would do that at a great price. I would not buy a company when I feel like the value of this has just gone way up. I better buy it now. That's not exactly my attitude. Do see a lot of greed though right now. I do see people, I also see a lot of inflation, and the greed is showing in the inflation showing in the greed, let's say. When you have this big of an asset bubble, people have been saving all year round, and now they're printing money so that there's going to be even a bigger asset bubble. Many people are suffering now, that is true. But for those who are not, they're bringing the national personal savings rate way up. It went to all-time highs this year. That was caused by fear of the unknown. People not wanting to speculate money because they don't know how bad things would get in Q2. We saw personal savings rates go to all-time highs. It went up over 30%. In 2019, it was 7.9% personal savings rates throughout that year. October's, we had 13.6% still as a personal savings rate. We still had high savings rates the entire year. It wasn't just Q2. We've seen a decline in seasonal spending. I think the personal savings rates will drop throughout the shopping season, but I also don't see as much shopping done as any other year. And if you guys want to know why, I'd love to go over that in another video, but I don't want to make half an hour, 45-minute videos for you guys to sit through. And yeah, for silver though, my strategy is really not changing at all from what I said before. It's still up over that $25 mark. I'm still gonna be doing a bit of collecting here, just kind of collecting, stacking or whatever. Not go in and say I want to buy X amount of silver. I'm just gonna go through the bins, not pay too much for what I get, but only buy the collector pieces that I like at a decent deal, if that makes sense. That's kind of how that's a kind of a fun way to go there. You get to hang out with everyone at your coin shop, chat with them, get to know everyone there, and you'll get to search the bins, see what they have. To me, it's fun. If I go there with my son, he loves searching the bins. That's probably his favorite part. But yeah, so we have basically just a decent sized drop today in gold and silver. Last I checked, it was in the 1860s for gold, 2530s for silver. I can't exactly remember where but that's close enough so you guys get an idea of where it is. And yeah, to me it's a big reaction to the stimulus package that was agreed on. And I think that at this point, anytime more money's gonna be printed, it's gonna make everything go up. Not literally everything, but almost. Gold, silver, stocks, almost everything, in my opinion. People are still in the savings mood. We have another strain of the flu coming out. It's only in the UK apparently, but something I suspect it could have easily spread without people knowing exactly what's going on. I see a lot of uncertainty in everyone else's minds thinking about it. I just see a lot of potential, a lot of worry, a lot of fear. Yet people are not investing in fear, they're investing in the momentum of the stocks and everything that's already kind of gone way up. I'm being extremely cautious investing. I'm tending to speculate less with the silver, just store my wealth with gold. But yeah, it's kind of my thoughts on the price drop here. It makes sense, but you kind of need to think about it a bit to really make sense of it all. You think money printing, oh, it should go up, but no, people are liquidating because they're more bullish on stocks. That's, to me, what it really boils down to. And yes, I do think stocks are inflation. I do think real estate is a form of inflation. I don't think it's just goods and services. I think assets are a form of inflation too, and I think that we're seeing a lot of inflation with a lot of assets. And I think as long as the money printing is continuing, we're going to see a lot of that inflation. until it shifts into goods and services, other parts of reality. That kind of sums up my everything. I'd love to know your guys' thoughts, what you guys have done in response to the price drop, if you guys have done anything. But stay positive. See you next time. And please like, share, subscribe. Stay tuned for the 500 subscriber giveaway. Yeah, stay positive. See you next time. Thanks. Bye.